and Meta AI has arrived. The Meta AI assistant for Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook is now available in new countries with new languages and features. Let's take a look at all of this now. Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, and Threads, has announced that its AI assistant Meta is now available in new languages. The assistant has received several updates thanks to its integration with Llama 3.1, the company's latest language model. To start off, let me know in the comments if you're excited to use Meta AI on WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook. I'm curious to hear how you think these new features will impact your social media experience. Don't forget to like and share the link to this video in your WhatsApp and Telegram groups so your friends can stay up to date on this topic. Deal? Thanks. Shall we continue? Meta has introduced new features for WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. If you're excited about these updates, feel free to comment below while I show you two videos I've prepared, as these features haven't appeared for me yet. I might be able to see them if I use a VPN. Let me know in the comments if you don't have access yet, or if you've used a VPN and managed to access these features. Alright, let's get started. I've got a YouTube video here, I'll mute it and we'll take a look at it together. Let's go ahead and hit play quickly. Here's what happens, folks. You'll access a contact, just like you would with one of your friends. Then you'll open this conversation as if you were chatting with a real person. You can send a message here, even just a simple hi, and this chat will start. This is the Meta symbol here, and the person who made this video is demonstrating that it works on WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook, all three platforms. I've already made a video showing how to access it from your computer. And there's an interface here that's similar to ChatGPT, for example, where you can chat. Now, the most interesting part is that it's already integrated into WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. So what can you do with it? You can ask questions and get answers to whatever you want. This is really cool because instead of going to Google to search, you can ask right here, and it will answer you without you needing to go anywhere else. And what else can you do? You can create images, and these aren't just those simple standard GIFs that all look the same. No. It's much better than that. Look, you use the command imagine. You type imagine here. It's pretty neat. Then you can say something like, imagine for me a face, a man's face. It didn't specifically create a man, but it did generate a face. See, it appeared right here. Then you can say, imagine a superhero. It created one here, but it's very basic. You can describe the prompt much better to get more detailed results. Imagine tattoos, imagine a painted nail here, imagine here. Now here it's in a different language in the video I'm watching, you can't see it. But basically you'll be able to ask whatever you want and also be able to, realistically I've got another video here that answers the question I had, which is apparently what they're going to allow for now, which is creating images of people like well-known brands, famous people, right? In this case, what did I quickly see here? Let's take a look. Check this out. If you look here, it created a Goku from Dragon Ball using some AI tools. If you try to use Dragon Ball, since you don't own the brand, it doesn't let you, right? So if I try to create a Mickey Mouse, for example, it won't allow it. And here it's allowing it, and here too. I looked, for example, here. I looked here and a SpongeBob quickly passed by. So you can create, yes, look, here's Goku fighting with a realistic person. So you can already create realistic people. I just didn't see here if, for example, you can put it like this. I want to create Brad Pitt, Angelina Jolie. I want to create Anthony Starr dressed up as Homelander, for example, famous people. I don't know if Meta will release it in the interface. On the computer, they don't let you create people, like famous people. They let you create brands, right? I create them for my YouTube video thumbnails. For example, a person with the Microsoft logo or the Google logo. It allows that. But just being able to ask whatever you want, and on top of that, being able to create realistic images is already quite impressive. Soon it will be possible to create these images and selfies of yourself. That's pretty cool. It's interesting, like Meta has this feature where you can imagine, for example, how you'd look as a 3D avatar. It uses your phone's camera to create this realistic avatar for you. Another cool new feature is the ability to create images and comments. This is really neat because it makes your conversations more interactive. What's interesting is you can create images, comments, and stories in Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger, making chats even more fun. Plus, Llama 3.145b, which was released this week with integration into these social networks, will help solve math and coding problems with regular updates every 2 weeks, bringing new features and support for more languages. Meta's tools are already available in French, German, written Hindi, Romanized Hindi, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish in 22 countries, including Argentina, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, Mexico, Peru, and other regions were included, but Brazil was left out, as I had already reported in another video. Meta was prevented from using data from Brazilians to train its AI. Personally, I don't mind, and it's not a problem for me at all. They already use quite a bit of data anyway. With all these new features that Meta is introducing, in my opinion, it's clear that we're on the verge of a revolution in how we interact with social networks. The ability to quickly create and edit images, as well as integrate advanced functions like solving mathematical problems and coding, promises to transform our digital experience. What do you think about these changes? Will this new phase of Meta really make our interactions easier and more interesting? Would you allow your data to be used to train AI so you could use this artificial intelligence? Let us know in the comments below. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. You'll now see on your screen suggestions for upcoming videos that you might find interesting.